Hello, I'm a digital transformation analyst.
What's your name?
Oh. Hi, I'm Ginny. I'm a digital transformation analyst. Before Geeks, I did psychology at uni. I didn't realise tech was something I could actually see myself working in. I didn't even know the potential or where I could fit into it. When I saw the role, it encompassed a lot of things that I developed growing up. As a DTA, we do one-on-one interviews with clients, trying to gauge how to build a rapport is one thing that I think my psychology background is tied with, and that's probably part of the role that I enjoy the most as well. A Geekess that inspires me is Sherry, and she's our talent acquisition executive. She's the forefront of trying to get people into this industry and into Geeks, and I think it's such a vital role because she has to make sure that the right people are coming through. She's always smiling, even if you're having a really bad day. I think if you see it, you just be like, okay, she's got a load of energy, and that kind of rubs off on you. Do I have a fun fact? Yeah, I can sing. I'm not singing. No, I'm not singing.